What nursing is. Knowing the hospital layout better than Google Maps and being able to find your way around blindfolded, thanks to countless rounds. What do people think it is? Just hanging out in the break room, chatting with doctors, and occasionally checking in on patients, all while looking fabulous in scrubs. What nursing is? Being a master of the poker face when a patient describes their symptoms in vivid TMI detail. What do people think it is? Constantly battling life-threatening emergencies and making split-second decisions that determine life or death. What nursing is? Developing a love-hate relationship with the call bell, which seems to have a mind of its own and always rings at the most inconvenient times. What do people think it is? Basically, a never-ending episode of Grey's Anatomy, complete with intense surgeries and steamy hospital romances. What nursing is? Comforting patients and their families during difficult times, providing emotional support as much as medical care. What do people think it is? Just a job, when in reality, it's a calling that requires endless compassion and empathy. What nursing is? A roller coaster of emotions, from the satisfaction of helping someone recover to the heartbreak of losing a patient. What do people think it is? Always glamorous, exciting, and filled with drama, like a TV medical drama come to life. What nursing is? A blend of medical expertise, compassionate care, and the ability to juggle a million things at once, like a pro multitasker. What do people think it is? Basically, a mix of ER and Grey's Anatomy, with a touch of House MD's brilliance and a sprinkle of Nurse Ratched's sternness. What nursing is? Wearing scrubs that might have started the day blue but now sport mysterious stains and a fashion-forward badge reel. What do people think it is? Constantly donning a white coat and stethoscope, solving medical mysteries like a real-life Dr. House. What nursing is? Spending hours charting, assessing, medicating, comforting, and trying to remember if you actually had lunch or just dreamed about it. What do people think it is? Saving lives in dramatic, heart-pounding moments, with every day filled with adrenaline-pumping heroics. What nursing is? Developing a sixth sense for when a patient is about to ring the call bell, even if they're 3 floors away. What people think it is? Being on call 24/7, ready to dash into action at a moment's notice, like some kind of medical superhero. What nursing is? Dealing with bodily fluids that make even the strongest stomachs churn, all while maintaining a smile and a reassuring demeanor. What people think it is? Basically, a glamorous job with unlimited access to the hospital's supply of latex gloves and surgical masks. What nursing is? Balancing the fine art of being assertive with patients who insist they're fine to discharge, despite needing another day of observation. What people think it is? Just taking temperatures and handing out pills, with plenty of time to catch up on reading between tasks. What nursing is? Developing a keen sense of smell to detect a C. diff infection from down the hall, even through layers of hand sanitizer. What people think it is? Basically, just a series of Grey's Anatomy-esque romantic encounters in supply closets and empty patient rooms. What nursing is? Perfecting the skill of answering a call bell while simultaneously dodging an incoming bedpan. What people think it is? Spending leisurely afternoons sipping coffee with doctors, discussing the latest medical breakthroughs. What nursing is? A never-ending cycle of checking vitals, administering medications, and reassuring patients that yes, it's normal to feel a little anxious. What people think it is? Constantly racing through hospital corridors, pushing gurneys like they're in a high-speed chase scene. What nursing is? Embracing the chaos and unpredictability of each shift, knowing that no 2 days are ever the same. What people think it is? Just following a strict routine, with plenty of downtime to catch up on paperwork and enjoy long breaks.